and we have self-defense. Okay, I don't know. You are worthy in reverse. Who said that? Y'all gonna take that back. Y'all, who said that? Who said that? You're gonna take that back. Interesting. Somebody could be listening to a lot of Nicki Minaj. Okay, that just made me like, right? So did you hear it too? Okay, thank you. What up? We have Recant. And they having to take that back. You're worthy in reverse. They're gonna have to take that back. One could be right in a room of 99 opposers. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? This has been the whole thing. It's been for generation after generation. It's been the same. Let me not. But like seriously, bruh. Oh, I literally cannot do that on this table. Bruh. Hey, I've been on. I'm rolling. Thank you. Yes, this is a general collective message. So remember to take what resonates for you and leave the rest for whoever they're for. Right, let's see if there's anything else that wants to be illuminated in this general energy here. With this deck here. Anything else? Somebody who's seeking insight to use against you. Self-defense, okay? You're not worthy. Take that back. Now their words in their throat, because I gotta eat it. My crown is lighting up. Aww.